that is helping, as you mentioned, during the pandemic. What was interesting there was everything stopped, and even the MSMEs stopped their operations. Ngayon, sinabi mo, nag-change ka agad. And of course, the term in business now, especially for startups, is they pivoted immediately. Diba? They had to pivot and shift themselves from face-to-face to digital. Ano yung mga challenges mo when you pivoted?
Sir, as an entrepreneur, I also own like 2 other companies, no. Yung iba diyan mga nasa mall. So we have to close a lot of our stores. So sabi ko, wala, lugi na talaga. But the good thing about Creative Voices, my company, it started from nothing. So if I started from nothing and I become someone and something, I can do it again. Because ang kagandahan po sa boses, ito yung isang bagay na, alam mo, binibili pero hindi mo nakikita, hindi mo nahawakan, hindi mo nakakain. If I can sell something that is not being intangible siya, you cannot even see, you cannot even smell, you cannot even touch. What more I cannot sell? So sabi ko, sige, let's go back to basic. So what I did, ano ba yung binebenta ko? Boses ko. So I'm also a motivational speaker. Before the pandemic, sir, I've been traveling around the country and around the world every week. So I have a talk in different parts of the country and in other countries. So ang laki din na nawala. So kailangan kang mag-convert, mag-transform, reinvent, recreate. So I have this 3 battle cry. Adapt as in A, adopt, and adapt. Ano yung adapt? Parang literal, ano yan, mag-ampun ka. Di ba? Ampunin mo kung ano yung sitwasyon, alamin mo kung anong meron sa'yo, start on what you have, and then adapt, mag-adjust ka nga at kumbaga, pumasok ka na dun sa mundo na ginagalawan natin ngayon, which is technology, internet-based, cyber, yan, virtual, dun na. And then adapt. Adapt means A-D-E-P-T is to become very good at it on what you're doing. So mastery. Pag-master ka. So doon talaga pumasok yung matagal ko ng pangarap na hindi ko magagawa sa 15 years kasi limited lang yung kaya kong